Can you record phone conversations with your debt collector? In fighting unfair debt collection practices, many consumers are still left in the dark as to dealing with abusive debt collectors. Each year, the FTC receives hundreds of complaints from different consumers, all regarding offensive acts or unfair treatment of creditors and debt collection agencies. In reality, a lot of representatives from debt collection agencies are guilty of violating the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act. Can you record a telephone conversation with your debt collector? The answer is yes. This is to ensure that no unfair or undignified treatment will be done to you. Consumers can record phone conversations with a lender or debt collector. Recorded phone calls can be used to support your complaint in case of unfair debt collection treatment. In the United States, the federal law allows telephone conversation recordings in all 38 states. This means a consumer can do so without having to ask permission from the caller. Aside from recording a telephone conversation, be sure to keep all copies of your correspondence with your debt collectors and creditors. Letters and billing statements sent via registered mail can all be used as references in case of complaint. Take legal action against debt collection abuse. It's very important for consumers to be aware of their rights as borrowers. You can review the stipulations in the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, read and understand the conditions included in the FDCPA, and see if your debt collector is committing a violation. If so, you have the right to file a complaint to the FTC in your state attorney general's office. The FTC keeps a record of all consumer complaints made to debt collection agencies, and if sufficient cases have been filed against your debt collection agency, the FTC has the power to shut down its operations. Meanwhile, the Attorney General's office of your state will immediately conduct an investigation.